Is everything all right, my dear?
Is it not your bedtime?
I am educating her before her trip.
It's a glass of cognac.
Would you not need a drink before a Northern Rail trip with the captain? What's wrong, my love?
You must stop. Whatever it is you're planning with him.
There is no way for Brown's mission to be tied back to me.
Abolitionists love gossip, more than church ladies. If this gets out, you'll be charged with treason.
You're being...
Go ahead. Say hysterical. See what happens.
Sorry. I've handled John. There will be no surprises this time.
He won't stop until the land is drenched with blood.
At some point, war may be necessary.
Do you want John Brown determining when? Promise me you'll at least consider being strong with him. You make the rules.
I will.
Come. Come to bed, my love.
I will be up in a moment. I must first finish with Henrietta here.
You're lying to me. Why do you make me endure it? I don't mind taking care of her. I know you feel loyal to your past, but to continue to sleep with her? To make me suffer? I love you. Why am I not enough? Please. Don't be too long. You'll come to bed?
I will.
My bed?
Yes, my love.
All right. Onion, I trust you are taken care of?
Yes, ma'am.
Good night.